tutto sceso. No, va bene, perché credi che sia andato?
Step 1.
I just do it 2 times just to remove the dirt. Sì, ma io non ho lo stesso insalato, io faccio tutto. So they don't need to be so washed because they're not dirty, but just to remove the dirt because they're wearing the dirt. Magic tool, you do this. It's easily removable.
For making pesto.
This, okay, and then pinoli. Usually, I notice that for 3, I use half. Okay, people say 1 big spoon, but I like more, a little bit more. So like this. And now I just do this. Sometimes I do this because it's like a paste, so it gets sticky to the. Now when the quantity that fits, so maybe we can eat 2 times or 3 times. Usually, when I'm at the last grain, I add a little bit because we add it later. Just a little bit to make it smooth with all the things. Okay, but you see by your eyes, as always. And now we add Parmigiano and we are done. The recipe says around 4 spoons.
4 spoons of
Yes, but in this case too, you go by taste. I'm strange because I don't taste, I smell. Oh really, I don't like to taste when I cook, I smell. Because my power sense is the nose. Spoon. 1 is too little. 1 big spoon. Let's see. We try. Usually I do this. Try with 3. Mix it. A little bit. Perfect. The sea is a little.
You are my taglierino. Questi sono tutti i taglierini che devo buttare?
Poi si aprono.
5 minutes? 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes. Prima.
Perché da solato tutto questi si scuociono.
We put pesto.
Non tanto, però per piacere.
No, va bene che ce l'ho. Con tanto? Ok?
Olive oil. Ok? Ok?
Basta, come dato.